Research methodology refers to the methods and procedures used to conduct research and gather data. It involves a systematic and structured approach to solving a research problem or answering a research question. The research methodology can be divided into several different stages, including the formulation of the research problem, the selection of research methods, the collection and analysis of data, and the interpretation of results. The first stage in research methodology is the formulation of the research problem. This involves identifying a specific area of study, defining the research question, and determining the purpose of the study. This stage also involves reviewing existing literature on the topic to gain a better understanding of the research problem and to identify gaps in the existing knowledge. Once the research problem has been formulated, the next stage is to select the appropriate research methods. There are several different types of research methods, including quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods. Quantitative research methods involve the use of statistical techniques to analyze data, while qualitative research methods involve the use of non-numerical data such as interviews, observations, and case studies. Mixed methods research combines both quantitative and qualitative research methods. The next stage in research methodology is the collection and analysis of data. This involves the implementation of research methods, such as surveys, interviews, experiments, or case studies, to gather data. The collected data is then analyzed using appropriate statistical techniques or qualitative methods. Finally, the results of the study are interpreted and presented in the form of a research report or a thesis. This stage involves making conclusions and recommendations based on the findings, and discussing the implications of the research for future studies. In conclusion, research methodology is a structured and systematic approach to solving a research problem or answering a research question. It involves a number of stages, including the formulation of the research problem, the selection of research methods, the collection and analysis of data, and the interpretation of results.